Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Audiodigest medical audio app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Audiodigest is a professional medical education app designed to help healthcare professionals, doctors, and medical students stay updated with the latest clinical knowledge through audio lectures and expert discussions. The app offers access to thousands of lectures from top medical experts, covering specialties like internal medicine, pediatrics, surgery, cardiology, and more. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports offline downloads for learning anytime, anywhere. The app's main feature is its audio-based continuing education system. Users can listen to lectures, earn CME, continuing medical education, and CE credits, and keep up with evidence-based medicine, all through their phones. The interface is user-friendly, and playback controls make it easy to pause, rewind, or adjust speed, fitting well into a busy doctor's or student schedule. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its high-quality lectures, expert speakers, and easy access to CME credits. It's especially useful for healthcare providers who want to learn while driving, exercising, or multitasking. The ability to track progress and earn certificates adds a professional advantage for career growth. However, there are some drawbacks. The subscription cost can be quite high for some users, and free access is limited. A few users also mention that not all lectures include transcripts or visuals, which may make certain topics harder to follow. Despite this, its convenience, credibility, and expert-level content make it a trusted resource for continuing medical education. In summary, the Audiodigest app may be worth using if you're a medical professional or student seeking reliable, accredited audio learning on the go. However, if you prefer video-based lectures or want free CME options, you might find it less essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.